Hello everyone. Today we are going to see from NCERT syllabus for class 5 lesson number 9 एक माँ की बेबसी and it's written by Rajesh Joshi and the meaning of the topic is one mother's helplessness. Yes, we all know about mother's love, anger, sadness, everything about mother, isn't it? But can you ever see your mother's helplessness? Yes, sometimes we can feel it, isn't it? This poem is about a mother and his son, and the poet thinks about his childhood and he remembers his friend and his mother. And when he was child, he doesn't feel for that mother, okay, because he was a child. But when he grew up, he thinks about that mother and he feels for that. So he wrote this poem. So come, let's see what he wrote in this poem. Now I'm going to read all the paragraphs and explain you the meaning in English. इस कविता को पढ़ते समय आँखों के सामने कई चित्र बनते हैं। बचपन का चित्र, बचपन के खास समय, खेल और साथियों का चित्र। उन साथियों में एक खास साथी रतन का और एक माँ का चित्र। इसे पढ़ो और महसूस करो। While reading this poem, many pictures are come in front of our eyes. A picture of childhood, a special moments of childhood, sports, picture of our friends and picture of the special friend whose name is Ratan and picture of his mother. Read it and feel it. कविता धीरे धीरे पढ़ने की चीज़ है। उसे मन में उतरने में काफ़ी समय लगता है। कभी कभी तो बरसों बाद हम बचपन की पढ़ी कविता पढ़ते हैं तो लगता है पहली बार पढ़ा है इसे। कविता पढ़ने के बाद मन में किसी कोने में घर बना लेती है, किसी मौके पर वह उभर आती है। Poetry is to read very slowly. It takes lot of time to get into our mind. Sometimes when we read our childhood poetry, it seems like we are reading it first time. After reading the poem, it occupies one corner in our mind and emerges in some situations. कविता, कहानी सबके साथ यह होता है, इसीलिए हमें इससे चिंतित होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। नहीं कि कविता एक बार में पूरी तरह समझ में आ रही है या नहीं। अगर उससे सिर्फ एक चित्र भी उभरता है तो भी कविता कामयाब है। It happens when we read poem or stories. That's why we do not have to worry about that whether the poem is fully understood at one time. Even if one picture emerges from it, the poem is successful. Now here, before starts the poem, the poet explained these lines to us. Okay, now we are going to start the poem. न जाने किस अदृश्य पड़ोस से निकल कर आता था वह खेलने हमारे साथ। रतन जो बोल नहीं सकता था खेलता था हमारे साथ एक टूटे खिलौने की तरह। देखने में हम बच्चों के ही तरह था, वह भी एक बच्चा, लेकिन हम बच्चों के लिए अजूबा था क्योंकि हमसे भिन्न था। There was a child whose name is Ratan, who cannot speak. He comes from our neighborhood to play with us. He looks like a broken toy. He is a child like us, but he is different. He is a wonder boy because he is different from us. थोड़ा घबराते भी थे हम उससे क्योंकि समझ नहीं पाते थे उसकी घबराहटों को। न इशारों में कही उसकी बातों को, न उसकी भयभीत आंखों में हर समय दिखती उसके अंदर की छटपटाहटों को। We were little nervous of him because neither we could understand his nervousness nor his gesture. He used to say a lot of things in gesture, but we do not understand them at all. There was always a fear in his eyes. We could not understand that either. जितनी देर वह रहता, पास बैठी उसकी माँ निहारती रहती उसका खेलना। अब जैसे जैसे कुछ बेहतर समझने लगा हूँ, उसकी भाषा जो बोल नहीं पाते हैं, याद आती रतन से अधिक उसकी माँ की आँखों में झलकती उसकी बेबसी। As long as he plays with us, his mother is sitting near him. His eyes were always on Ratan while playing. The poet says that he was a small child then and he could not understand much. Now, as he grew up and gone little sensible too, now he has started to understand the language of Ratan. It is also remembered how her mother used to stare at his child with helpless eyes. Now, the poet realizing the pain of her mother, he says that his mother is more helpless than Ratan because he wants to do much more things for his child, but she can't do anything for him. Now, here we have finished our poem. Now, I hope you all understand this poem and we understand the importance of our mother also. And mother is the only one person who can understand our feelings and who can feel for us. She can do anything for us, isn't it? Now, if you like my video, please hit the thumb button, subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestion regarding my video, please comment me. Thank you so much for watching.